So this is my life at the early stages of my career as a software developer. And yeah, I know it may not look as glamorous as other tech developers you see on the platform or every other social media platforms, but this is me basically showing you what it feels like to be doing a normal 9 to 5 job and then turning into a software developer at night. To be very fair and honest, this is very, very challenging and very, very draining because I'm typically living a double life, 9 to 5 worker by day and a software developer by night. How do I do this? I don't know. The energy I get to do all of this is still typically something that I go by the drive. And with the coming of AI, it feels like the world of tech is gradually crumbling and you only see the senior developers having the big cakes and the roles of junior developers, entry-level interns, they are nowhere to be found these days. A simple job application that you see this minute, within the next 5 to 10 minutes, already has like 100 applicants. So now you begin to wonder, where is the fate of people who are just getting into the industry? Students who are still in the university and still studying to become software developers. It's very challenging. And this goes without saying that only those who move fast will be able to cope with what is coming and the world of AI dominating everything as it stands now. So what is our fate? Well, we can't keep complaining, and in as much as things are bad now, bet me it's going to get way worse in the tech market. Well, for people like me who live by the drive and who live for the drive, there will always be opportunities, and one way or the other, something is obviously going to work out. So to every other person out there who is like me, who is still trying to get into tech and they are confused and they don't know what to do or whether this is still something they should do in 2025, I'm here to tell you and I'm here to give you the green light. Do not stop. Do not stop pursuing your dreams. Keep pushing. Never slack. You just have to level up your skills way higher than what it is right now. I can tell you from my experience as a civil engineer back then that people in the olden days used to do manual calculations for structural analysis, but right now civil engineers do those calculations with softwares. So this is what it feels like with the advancement of technology. Technologies will always improve, and it is left for us as people who make use of them to level up our skills and increase our productivity. So this goes without saying that there would never be a time for you to say, no, I can't go into software development again because, okay, it's overcrowded. There are so many people in it. It's filled up. And if you really have a drive for this, if you really have a passion for this, there is no saying no to this. And I also know a lot of people are frowning at AI, but AI, trust me, is not your problem. AI is just here to increase your productivity. For instance, you're having to do something and then what it's normally going to take you forever to search on Stack Overflow or Reddit or any other platform that we source these issues from. This is something that AI is obviously going to go through all of these platforms because they've been fed with this data and provide you with a result in seconds. Well, it might not always be 100% accurate, but it gives you a guide somewhat if you know what you're doing. This is where the importance of your own skill comes up. It's one thing for you to be able to prompt the AI to give you what you want. It's also another thing for you to be able to know that what the AI is giving you is something that you can work with, and even if it has issues, it's something you can correct. So look at AI more as a helpmate, and this is what I feel like so many software engineers, so many senior software developers, they will frown at it seriously because, well, this is not something they grew up with, so this is new. But still, it helps. It has its own functions. It has its own limitations. But believe me, in the nearest future, AI is going to be way bigger than it is right now. And we all have to get prepared for this. If you're not working for a software development team or if you're not working for a software company, you can also freelance and do your own thing as a techpreneur or find a solution to something, build a software, and just keep building something. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also share if possible. Thank you very much. I am Legendary Patrick.